Has anyone ever told you you're boring? You're absolutely unbearable. Is that a horse?
Nah, it's actually a small llama. Know what I mean?
Oh, that was alarming. Get it?
Can you help me get a picture with this old fart?
Okay.
Do you want to have a hug?
Oh, all right.
Darling, all your spelling is wrong.
Oh, Crapple. Well, I've never actually been to school, you know. It's obvious that I'm old and faint and old.
I've been standing for so long today. My legs hurt.
Well, say goodbye to your back.
Are you okay if I call you Daddy?
Yeah.
Thank you, Daddy.
How did you get married?
Oh, flowers. How lovely. Do you want to keep them?
Nah.
Dear diary, it's so hot in Australia.